Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thanks so much for coming by. We have an awesome video for you guys today. But before we jump in, if you're interested in a new way to make money, all right, there is an incredible opportunity to make money right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is one of my accounts, one of my several accounts where I made over $130,000 in the past year. And in some months, I was able to make over $20,000 in a single month. This month, I made $37,000. So if you wanna learn how to do this, I set up a link below where you guys can learn how to do it. You don't need experience, you don't need a following. It's the best way to make money right now. So click the link below to get started. And now let's get started with the video. All right, so this one, Uber has officially finally agreed to raise rates, my friends. Can I read this?
So Uber Lyft agreed to stay in Minnesota after top Democrats reach statewide driver pay deal.
Yeah, they were basically Uber and Lyft when they were talking about raising, the drivers need to get paid more in Minnesota. What Uber and Lyft were saying during this whole time was, okay, well, if you guys win, we're just going to leave the state. So we're not going to be in that state anymore because we don't want to pay drivers anymore. But then they finally decided, okay, we'll stay. So they're actually agreeing to pay drivers more. So that's a big shocker, guys. Huge shock to everyone. Drivers will get a raise, my friends. If you drive in Minnesota, you're going to get a big fat raise, okay?
Yeah.
So might not be a bad option to be an Uber driver in one of these states, guys.
Yeah.
Because you actually make more. And like, let's say you live out in the boonies in Minnesota, like, you know, that where the cost of living is a lot less, you actually get paid more than people who live in, like, you know, California.
Yeah.
Like, look at this house. This is a nice house. Looks a little slanted, but yeah. I think maybe that's just the photo.
Yeah, maybe.
But look at this one, 240 grand for a house.
That's crazy.
7 acres.
Over here, that'd be well over $1 million.
It's on a 7-acre lot. You got a massive...
You should just move there. Didn't you say you wanted like a lot of land and privacy?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy this house, guys. It literally just got listed too. 2 minutes ago.
You could buy this house and then like 3 of your neighbors' houses and then just combine all the properties.
Wait, what'd you say?
You could just buy this house and 3 of your neighbors' houses and combine all the properties.
I could buy 5 houses for less than what I bought mine for. Look how big your land is.
Wow. And oh, you live by a lake too. That's nice.
Yeah, I could go paddleboarding.
Yeah, you'd also just be living in the middle of nowhere.
Who cares? You got 2 lakes. Y'all, okay, no, let's, oh yeah, I guess if you're driving Uber out here, you're probably fucking not getting any rides.
Yeah.
But, interesting. Kind of nice. I mean, a little fixer-upper, but, I mean, I'm sure the cost of renovating a house is probably way cheaper out here, too.
Yeah.
And no HOA fee, so you don't pay money to the HOA.
Oh, nice.
Let's do a little slight upgrade and see what else you can get in Minnesota. Let's do like over 500,000.
Oh, these houses are pretty big. Like the square footage is kind of big.
Yeah, 3,000 square feet.
And you still have a big yard.
Yeah, 10,000 square foot lot.
Looks nice.
This one's very nice inside. This, you don't need to even fix this. Well, maybe redo the carpet. Let's see if any of these, because it snows out there, right?
Yeah. Oh, then you could go ice skating on the lake in the winter.
For $2 million, what do you got? I think I prefer the smaller ones for like 200K. The houses like looked like different over there.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow.
It does look like there's like a town nearby though. Anyways. Okay. Guys might want to move there if you're trying to beat inflation.